In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks with some essential steps to manage your account settings effectively. We'll walk you through everything you need to know to customize your settings and ensure smooth sailing with your finances. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the QuickBooks homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks online website. Once the site loads, you'll find yourself on the homepage, which is your main dashboard. Everything you need to run your business smoothly is accessible from here. Next, locate the Settings option. On the home page's top right corner, you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is like your entryway into the more detailed functionalities and customizations you can make within QuickBooks. From the Settings menu, you'll want to click on Account and Settings. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage details crucial to your business operations, from company preferences to how your financial transactions are handled. Once you're in Account and Settings, click on the Sales tab. This will take you to a new section where you can adjust settings related to how sales are processed and recorded in your account. In this Sales area, there's a specific feature you might find especially useful: the option to show the Product/Service column on sales forms. If this isn't already selected, make sure you turn it on. This setting is particularly helpful as it ensures that every sales form lists out the products and services, providing clearer records that can help with tracking and managing your inventory and sales effectively. From here, click on Products and Services. This takes you further into managing the inventory details that tie directly into your sales records. Making sure that everything in this section is up to date helps ensure that your business runs efficiently and avoids potential errors. After you've verified everything, click Done to save your changes and return to the previous settings view. It's important not to miss this step, as saving ensures that all the changes you made are updated in your system immediately. Once you've completed setting up the sales gear, proceed to click on Chart of Accounts. This will open a comprehensive view of your financial structure, detailing where every transaction is accounted for. In the Chart of Accounts, type in Highlight in the search bar. This useful tip helps you easily find highlighted transactions or features that are flagged for your attention. Next, you'll need to click on Y Counts, which stands for Inventory Counts. This section is extremely helpful in keeping track of the physical inventory against your recorded numbers. By maintaining this, a business can ensure inventory accuracy, reducing issues like overstocking or stockouts. Finally, I'm gonna go ahead and start an inventory count. This marks the completion of your setup. Starting an inventory count helps you verify your stock levels, ensuring that the data you have aligns with the physical inventory. And there you have it, your guide to navigating QuickBooks' crucial settings and features. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to managing your business with greater ease and precision. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insights and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you next time.